Humanity's story is one of relentless exploration, always reaching for the next horizon. From the earliest days, we've looked up at the night sky, wondering what lies beyond, dreaming of worlds yet unseen. For centuries, the stars were distant dreams. In the 20th century, we finally stepped off our world, reaching the moon and building a fragile outpost in orbit. These achievements were the first steps in a much larger journey, one that would forever change our relationship with the cosmos. Now, in 2027, we're on the verge of another leap, the launch of Axiom Space's first commercial module to the International Space Station. This moment marks the dawn of a new era, where private innovation joins hands with decades of public achievement. This isn't just hardware. It's the seed of a new ecosystem in low Earth orbit, opening space to tourists, researchers, and entrepreneurs. The possibilities are as limitless as human imagination, with new industries and opportunities waiting to be born. The Axiom module marks a shift from government-only missions to a vibrant commercial marketplace in space. For the first time, private citizens and companies can truly participate in shaping humanity's future beyond Earth. For over 2 decades, the ISS has been a symbol of global cooperation, but always as a government lab. Now, the doors are opening wider, inviting the world to join in this shared adventure. Axiom's arrival signals the start of true settlement, a hotel in orbit, a place for ordinary people to visit and work. Soon, space will no longer be reserved for a select few, but will welcome travelers, dreamers, and pioneers from every walk of life. This changes everything, from science and medicine to art and philosophy. Space becomes accessible. New discoveries, creative expressions, and collaborations will flourish in ways we can only begin to imagine. The experience of seeing Earth from above, the overview effect, will soon be open to more than just astronauts. Ordinary people will witness our planet's beauty and fragility firsthand, gaining a perspective that has inspired awe and unity in every space traveler before them. How will this new perspective reshape our sense of home and destiny? As more people gaze back at our blue planet, our understanding of what it means to belong, to Earth and to each other, will evolve in profound ways. The launch of Axiom's habitat is more than a technical feat. It's a cultural milestone. It's a testament to human ingenuity, collaboration, and the enduring desire to reach beyond our limits. The door to space is swinging open, not just for visits, but for building a future among the stars. We are no longer just visitors. We are becoming residents of the cosmos. The era of space as a destination for all has begun. The next chapter of humanity's journey is unfolding, one where the stars are within reach for everyone. Adding a new room to a house in space is a ballet of orbital mechanics. Each module must arrive at precisely the right moment, traveling at thousands of kilometers per hour, and then dock with pinpoint accuracy. It's a feat that requires international teamwork, advanced robotics, and months of careful planning. In 2027, Axiom Hub 1 will dock with the ISS, connecting old and new. This historic moment will mark the first time a commercial module becomes a permanent part of the International Space Station, blending decades of government-led exploration with the ambitions of private industry. For its first years, Axiom will be an extension of the ISS, leveraging its life support and power while hosting private astronauts and researchers. These new visitors will conduct experiments, develop new technologies, and even explore commercial opportunities in microgravity, all within the safety of the established ISS infrastructure. This phased approach lets Axiom test its commercial model with minimal risk. By learning alongside NASA and international partners, Axiom can refine its systems and operations before taking the next big leap. But the real genius is what comes next. More modules, habitats, labs, power systems will snap together, forming a self-sufficient station within the ISS. Each edition brings new capabilities, from advanced research labs to comfortable living quarters, gradually building a new outpost in orbit. By 2030, as the ISS nears retirement, Axiom will detach, becoming the world's first free-flying commercial space station. It will orbit independently, ready to welcome a new generation of explorers, scientists, and entrepreneurs. The ISS will pass its legacy not to another government project, but to its own commercial offspring. This transition marks a turning point in the story of human spaceflight. Human presence in orbit will continue, driven by commerce, not just exploration. The future of space will be shaped by new ideas, new markets, and new partnerships. The torch is being passed to a new era, where the boundaries of space are open to all who dare to dream and build. Entering the Axiom module is like stepping into a five-star hotel after years in a research lab. The transition is immediate. Soft lighting, open spaces, and a sense of calm that washes over you the moment you float inside. Designed with comfort and inspiration in mind, the habitat features soft, light-colored walls, integrated lighting, and intuitive controls. Every detail is carefully considered, from the gentle curves of the architecture to the ambient glow that mimics natural daylight, helping astronauts feel at ease. Private cabins offer solitude and panoramic windows. Imagine waking up to Earth gliding by below. Each cabin is a personal sanctuary, equipped with customizable lighting and sound, allowing crew members to create their own oasis in orbit. The Earth Observatory, a glass-walled cupola, is the heart of the module, offering breathtaking 360-degree views. It's a gathering place for reflection, conversation, and awe, where astronauts often find themselves lost in the beauty of our planet. Here, the overview effect becomes real for everyone. 16 sunrises and sunsets a day, the thin blue line of our atmosphere, the interconnectedness of our world. Watching the world turn beneath you, you gain a new perspective on life and humanity. Microgravity transforms daily life. Every surface is usable, handholds are everywhere, and movement is a gentle push away. Even the simplest tasks become playful, and teamwork takes on a new dimension as you float together through shared spaces. Personal tablets keep you connected to Earth, while high-speed data links enable seamless communication and entertainment. Whether it's a video call with family or streaming your favorite show, the digital world is always within reach. This isn't just survival, it's thriving in orbit. Recreation areas, shared meals, and laughter fill the habitat, making it a true home away from home. Axiom's habitat is designed for living, not just working. Here, well-being and happiness are as important as scientific achievement. Research, relaxation, and wonder blend together in a space built for the human spirit. Every day brings new discoveries, both scientific and personal, as you share this extraordinary journey with your crew. The future of life in orbit is comfortable, inspiring, and profoundly human. Here, we're not just surviving, we're building a new way of living among the stars. Welcome to your new home above the world. A stay on Axiom Station is immersive, part research, part wonder. Guests become citizen scientists, running real experiments and contributing to human knowledge. Everyday tasks, eating, sleeping, moving, become playful lessons in physics. Leisure time means floating in the Earth Observatory, capturing photos, and watching the aurora from above. High-speed internet lets you share your journey in real time. Exercise is essential, using special equipment to stay healthy in microgravity. Every moment is a blend of discovery, adaptation, and awe. The spacesuit is being reinvented for the commercial era. Axiom's Axiom U, developed with NASA, offers unprecedented mobility and flexibility. Bending, kneeling, and twisting are now possible. The suit's modular design fits a wide range of body types, making spacewalks accessible to more people. Rear entry hatches and advanced life support make it safer and easier to use. High-definition cameras and heads-up displays bring augmented reality to the helmet. The same technology destined for the moon will protect commercial pioneers in orbit. The future of spacewalking is here, and it's for everyone. Your adventure begins with focused training. Centrifuges, underwater labs, and emergency drills prepare you for space. Launch day arrives at Kennedy Space Center. You board a sleek, automated capsule like SpaceX's Crew Dragon. The rocket ignites, and in under 10 minutes you're in orbit. The journey to Axiom Station is a gentle introduction to zero gravity, floating, gazing at Earth, anticipation building. As you approach, the ISS and Axiom modules grow from a star to a sprawling structure. Automated docking completes the journey. After checks, the hatch opens. You're welcomed not by aliens, but by the crew, ready to guide you into your new home. The dream of living in space is now a reality. Welcome to the cosmos. Axiom leads, but the new space race is crowded and dynamic. Private companies like VAST, Blue Origin with Sierra Space, and Voyager Space's Starlab are all building unique stations, spinning habitats, business parks, and research labs. NASA encourages competition, fostering innovation and redundancy. VAST's Haven 1 will spin for artificial gravity. Orbital Reef aims for a mixed-use business park. Starlab focuses on science. Each offers a different vision for life in orbit. The future won't have a single winner. Multiple stations will serve diverse needs. The high frontier is open for business. The ISS is a marvel, but it's aging and costly. With retirement looming, NASA chose to become a customer in a commercial marketplace, not the sole operator. This frees NASA to focus on deep space, returning to the moon and reaching Mars. NASA invests in commercial stations supporting Axiom, VAST and others through funding and private astronaut missions. These missions are dress rehearsals for a future where NASA buys services, not runs the show. The stakes are high. If commercial stations aren't ready, America risks losing its orbital leadership to China's Tiangong. Success is a matter of national strategy, not just business. NASA is betting on private sector dynamism to keep humanity in orbit. Living in space was once pure science fiction. In 2027, Axiom's module makes it real. The first guests will be wealthy or sponsored, but history shows costs will fall, just as with air travel and computers. Competition and innovation will open space to thousands. The future. Scientists making breakthroughs, engineers building new materials, artists creating in zero gravity, teachers broadcasting from orbit, families saving for a trip to the stars. The launch of Axiom's module is just the beginning. A new door to the cosmos. Our economic and cultural spheres will extend beyond Earth. Children will look up and see not just satellites, but places where people live and work. The universe is inviting us in. We're ready to accept. The next chapter of humanity's story is being written, among the stars.